Hello, today I am going to guide you on how to calculate ROI, return on investment. ROI is a simple way to measure how profitable an investment is by comparing the initial cost with the final value of the investment. Let's start by creating a small Excel table with 3 columns: cost of investment, final value, and ROI. Label the first column as cost of investment instead of initial value, so you can also include any extra costs like tax fees or travel. Enter the formula =C7 minus B7. This formula subtracts the cost from the final value, then divides the result by the cost. Press enter, you will get a decimal value. Select the result cell and click the percentage style % button on the toolbar to convert it to a percentage. To apply the same formula to other rows, click and drag the small square at the bottom right of the cell downward. Tip: always include extra costs in the first column for a more accurate ROI result. That's it. You've now built your own ROI calculator in Excel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tutorials.